Managing people is not easy, but Workday HR might make it simpler. In 2025, Workday is one of the leading human capital management platforms, helping companies handle payroll, recruiting, talent management, and employee engagement all in one system. You can track performance, plan workforce needs, and get real-time insights to make smarter HR decisions. What sets Workday apart is integration. Everything from hiring to retirement is connected, so HR teams save time and avoid errors. The learning curve can be steep, but for growing companies that need a full HR solution, it's hard to beat. So, if you want an all-in-one HR system that scales with your business, Workday is worth checking out. Like the video, subscribe, and comment what tool you want review next.